Hi, we're Team AlterEco, Hannah, Adam, Juliana, and Carly. Today, we are here to clean up litter along the trails of the Connecticut River. Before we start, we have a question for you. What does a lawnmower, a personal library, and a pair of shoes all have in common? You can find them all in the Connecticut River. But don't worry, with a little time and energy out of your day, you can help make these areas beautiful and safe again, just like we did.
The Norwottuck Rail Trail is available to hikers, bikers, rollerbladers, and is handicap accessible. The 11-mile path follows what was previously Boston and Maine railroad tracks. Even before that, this land was part of the Native American Pecumtuck Nation, fulfilling their livelihoods and heritage. Now enjoyed by families, solo adventurers, and couples, the trail is full of local history, and it is important to honor the land for everything that it was for others and is for each of us. Did you know that plastic is one of the river's main pollutants? As plastic breaks down into smaller pieces, it becomes what is known as microplastics. According to the Connecticut River Conservancy, plastics like these reduce populations of wildlife found in the river, including freshwater mussels. It is our goal today to find and safely dispose of trash before it gets into the riverway. By doing this, we are making a positive difference in the lives of the animals that call the Connecticut River home.
As explained by the Pioneer Valley Planning Commission, the Connecticut River connects areas in Quebec, Canada, through the United States and Northeast and much of New England. The length of the river itself is 410 miles, which is just over the distance from Amherst, Massachusetts to Washington, D.C. This highlights the importance of keeping the river and watershed area clean and as natural as possible because of the vast reach and numerous human and animal communities that benefit from the river's resources.
Civic engagement is an individual's involvement in addressing issues in the communities around them and the actions they take in order to resolve these concerns. It is important to participate in civic engagement because it builds a stronger sense of community, exercises your rights, and helps a region provide resources so that everyone can live a just life. We engaged in this idea through environmental leadership. This was super important not only to ourselves by showing each of us how easy and fun it is to make a difference in the natural world, but also helped others around us see the passion and excitement we brought towards a task that some might find daunting, and maybe even encourage them to try something new on their own. Cleaning up as much as we did was ultimately much more rewarding than we thought it would be. During our time spent out, numerous people passed us and thanked us. None of us expected this to happen, but each time it did, we all felt super happy and proud and appreciative of those who acknowledged us.
As we wrap up our day, we would like to thank our wonderful and supportive professor, Lena Fletcher, as well as each and every one of you. Together we can make a tremendous difference. So, close your computers, grab a bag, and get outside. Let's start now.